So the good news about the brief that was filed with the appeals court by the State Department and Justice Department, it puts the power of the Justice Department for the first time ever in this case, frankly in any Clinton email case, behind Judicial Watch and against Hillary Clinton. Because I told you the last hearing we were in, where we were trying to get her testimony, discussing that, there were 6 government lawyers on the other side trying to protect Hillary Clinton. This was in December of last year. 6 government lawyers, in addition to 4 lawyers for Hillary Clinton and Cheryl Mills. So there were 10 lawyers. And who was on our side? I think it was Ramona. I don't remember if there was another lawyer there, or maybe one of our lawyers was there. I was there. I was playing client. I'm the president of Judicial Watch. I was there representing the corporation as the client. Can you imagine that? 3 years after President Trump is elected, the Justice Department is defending Hillary Clinton in federal court. Can you believe it? Imagine if you're me. Imagine if you're Ramona sitting there, knowing what the American people think about Clinton's misconduct. And I don't mean Republicans and conservatives. I mean the American people of all stripes. And we've got the government still defending her. So I'm glad the government has decided this wild abuse of the court process by Hillary Clinton is not appropriate. But just remember, at the lower court, they tried to stop her from being deposed. So Mrs. Clinton's brief in response is due on April, I think it's due today, as a matter of fact. So maybe we'll have it later tonight. So you can look at that online as well. I don't know if we'll put it online or how quickly we'll get it up there. But I expect the appellate court should move pretty quickly. We don't know for sure, but they set a quick briefing process, relatively speaking. So I suspect we'll hear back soon from the court. My guess is they'll have a hearing and a telephonic hearing, which may actually provide you real-time access, because these days, because the court is holding hearings over the phone and conference, doing teleconferences, they're actually live streaming them as well. So if that happens, I will be sure to alert you so you can tune in and listen. They're available. It's easy to listen to. They're on YouTube, so you can go and listen to them. So that will happen so her brief is due today, and then we'll wait to hear from the court to see what next. So in the meantime, Judicial Watch has discovery pending. There's been no appeal. So of 2 other officials who the evidence shows knew about Hillary Clinton's emails and didn't tell anyone, or at least anyone who should have known on the outside. And we also have pending the ability to subpoena Google, because you may remember that one of her vendors, I think it was Paul Combetta, sent, according to the report, sent all of her emails to a Google email account. So the judge says, well, maybe there are emails over there. Go subpoena Google. So we're going to find out. So that's something else that we'll be pursuing. I'm not sure what the status of that subpoena is.
Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to catch all the latest news from Judicial Watch.